Hey, morning. I'm Akansha Gupta and today I'm hosting new employee experience program for Qualcomm.
Let me introduce myself first. I am your host for this grand day of yours, Akansha Gupta. Extend my heartiest and warm welcome to each and everyone at Qualcomm. So let's have a huge round of applause once again to emphasize the information that is most relevant to you as a new hire. While you will undoubtedly learn through your on-job experience and form your team, but we will provide you with the information to fuel your curiosity so you can navigate the many supports resources Qualcomm has to offer. So before going to proceed with the presentations and with the training part, I'm going to give you something different from what you have experienced till now in your life. Well, I'm your host Akansha Gupta, once again welcoming you all on the Qualcomm. Thank you so much for joining in. Yes, everybody, please sit straight, keep your bag aside and erect your spine. Keep both of your hands on your thighs. Close your eyes. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, take your hands all together. Join in and just rub it. Rub both of your palms. And then slowly open your eyes. Let me introduce him first. Manish is currently working as Senior Director Engineering at Qualcomm Noida, leading and managing 200 members, hard microphysical design and sign-off and IB team at Noida. He has done his BTech in Electronic and Communication Engineering from Thapar Institute and Engineering and Technology, Patiala, and Masters in Intellectual Property Law from IGNOU, Delhi. Prior to joining Qualcomm at Noida, Manish worked in different capacities in Motorola, Freescale, NXP, Semiconductor, both at Noida and Austin, USA. He has more than 24 plus years of experience, mainly doing and leading chip-top STA, physical design. In how many cities Qualcomm is present? Give me the numbers. Come on, quickly, raise your hand. In how many cities Qualcomm is present?
Delhi, Gurgaon, Noida, Mumbai, Chennai, Bangalore.
Absolutely correct. You deserve a cheer. Come on, everyone. Let's give it a hand. Okay, now, but we won't cut the cake this way. We will go with the countdown. Everybody ready? Okay. On the louder note, 5, 4, come on. 3, 2, 1. Very warm welcome to Qualcomm Internship. Back to the Qualcomm NEE program, and now I'm going to take forward with the next game session. Next game is once again about the balloons, but this time the process is going to be a little different. So I want everybody to please come up and join me once again. Yes, everyone, please come. Take the balloon up to a bigger size. Inflate it to the bigger size, okay? Okay, welcome students. Once again, welcome back from the lunch. Requesting you all to please join in as well. We are starting off with the next session of games with you all. So this is the next draw. Please take one.
What's the balloon of 100%?
And what you will do with your balloon? Protect it, yes. Just like the data, you have to protect your data, right? And do not, yes. Just keep it safe actually. The lesson behind this is keep your data intact to yourself. Do not leak it anywhere. If somebody is coming to you and doing any kind of violation, just protect. One, go. Come on, burst each other's balloon. Come on. Protect yours. Even if it's your friend next to you standing. Come on. Keep on doing it. Okay, one down. Very nice. Next one. Those who are not left, congratulations. This one's for you. Thank you and congratulations. This one's for you. Alright, thank you so much. We'll start with the girls and you all can come one by one. Okay? So in every round, every second person is the winner, whosoever is going to complete the train first. Alright? Done? Shall we go with this? But you need to take care of what exactly print is here. Like if there is left and right leg, then just put your left and right feet here and your left hand. So please make sure if there is a left hand imprint, you have to put your left hand, and if there is an imprint of right hand, you have to put your right hand, even if it goes in between. Okay? Alright, girls, come join in. Come on, quickly. Guys in short, mistake now हो किसी से. सही करना भी जरूरी है. Okay, so all correct, one mistake. So we have won the game. Congratulations. Let's have a huge round of applause. Come on, for opponent one.
अरे हाथ पर नहीं.
Okay, so congratulations. Still, you are way behind. Thank you so much. This one's for you. Congratulations. Thank you so much. The session is going to be driven by Sindhuja Siva Subramanian. Let me introduce her first. Sindhuja is a part of Total Rewards team at Qualcomm, handling compensation and benefits for India, Australia, UK and Austria. She has 9 years of experience in compensation, benefits and equity at various industries. Last year, she delivered major India-specific projects like KYN campaign and corporate NPS program. So, requesting everyone to please direct yourself for the next virtual session. Thank you so much.
Keep the rubber bands back into this packet.
A game which we have played earlier. Once again, you don't have to use your hands, just use your mouth. But right now, you have to do it in pen. So it's all about 2 people working together on a single project. Alright, the motto behind this game is this. So every game that we have played today do have a message behind it, and this game also, tells you about how to go for teamwork in pair of 2. Okay, so use your mouth and your teeth. Okay, take 1 rubber band and you have to transfer that 1 rubber band into another cup one by one. And I'll give you time frame of 2 minutes. In 2 minutes, the maximum amount of rubber bands transferred to the empty cup will be the winner. 2, 1, go. One at a time. Okay, the time has been started. One by one. Please, साथ निभाओ साथियों. अलग-अलग नहीं, साथ में करना है. Yes. Try to join your straws together and pick one at a time. Yes. Come on. Very nice.
कपी गिरा दी.
No worries. Try. It's a teamwork, not individual work. Yes. Come on. Guys and girls. Thank you so much. You have to say Oot Ucha Pooch Nichi Uchi Uti Pooch Nichi 5 times. 5 times. You have seen any number of cameras in your life. You don't know about this? How come? Line नहीं पता. अच्छा repeat कर. Okay. Oot Ucha Pooch Nichi Uche Uti Pooch Nichi. Oot Ucha Uti Pooch. Uti Pooch नहीं है. Oot Ucha. देखो Oot Ucha. Same line. It's like crest and top. The signal goes up and down. That's it. Oot Ucha Pooch Nichi Uche Uti Pooch Nichi.
Oot Ucha Pooch Nichi Ute Uchi.
Thank you so much. Yes, try it.
ऊट ऊंचा ऊंच नीची ऊटे ऊंची ऊंची
Uche Uti Pooch Nichi. Okay, I'll give you one more time.
ऊट ऊंचा ऊंच नीची ऊंचे ऊंट की ऊंच नीची.
Correct.
5 times.
ऊट ऊंचा ऊंच नीची ऊंचे ऊंट की ऊंच नीची. ऊट ऊंचा ऊंच नीची ऊंचे ऊंट की ऊंच नीची. ऊट ऊंचा ऊंच नीची ऊंचे ऊंट की ऊंच नीची.
One more time.
ऊट ऊंचा ऊंच नीची ऊंचे ऊंट की ऊंच नीची.
Wonderful. Let's have a huge round of applause. Let me get chocolate for you.
तुलाराम ताला लेके ताला तोड़ के तले हुए तेल पे तल तल के मर गया.
Very nice, fantastic. What's your name? Mayank, this one's for you. Thank you so much and congratulations. एक बार ताली हो जाए for Mayank. Alright, yes. Anaya. Ananya. So sorry. Ananya, are you ready? Same मैं आपको बोलूँगी, same आपको बोलूँगी, ठीक है?
तुलाराम ताला लेके ताला तोड़ के तले हुए तेल में तल तल ही मर गया. तुलाराम ताला लेके ताला तोड़ के तले हुए तेल में तल तल ही मर गया. तुलाराम ताला लेके ताला तोड़ के तले हुए तेल में तल तल ही मर गया. तुलाराम ताला लेके ताला तोड़ के तले हुए तेल में तल तल ही मर गया.
Fantastic, fantastic. So, I'll give you one chocolate. Thank you so much. Let's have a huge round of applause for 3 winners. But congratulate Range for being the support. And as I have promised that for this, I'm going to give a bigger amount of prize. So please come and join in. Please take the honors in receiving this. Everybody, let's give it up for Varun. You have learned a lot from this session and taking a lot with yourself. And apart from that, just one thing I would like to communicate over here is the key to success is the communication. So do not forget your communication. Do not hesitate to communicate anytime, anywhere when it comes to work and your personal life. So thank you so much. With this note, I'm signing off for the day. This is your host Akansha Gupta. Take care and best of luck for your future endeavors.